In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to alternate Google Calendar. If you want to see a second calendar system, like the Chinese lunar calendar, alongside your regular dates in Google Calendar, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to turn it on and how it appears. Start by opening your browser and heading to google.com. Once the page loads, look to the top right for the Google Apps icon. It's the small grid made of dots. Click that to open the app launcher and then select Calendar. This takes you into the Google Calendar web app, which is where the setting we need lives. In the top right of Calendar, click the gear icon to open the Settings menu and then choose Settings from the drop-down. This brings you to a dedicated settings page with a sidebar on the left and detailed options on the right. We're going to use a built-in display option, so you won't need to install anything or change your primary calendar. This simply adds a secondary calendar view. On the left sidebar, under the General section, scroll until you find Alternate Calendars. Click it to open that panel. On the right, you'll see a drop-down. Click the drop-down arrow and you'll get a list of supported alternate calendars. From here, pick the one you want, such as the Chinese calendar. As soon as you select it, Google Calendar applies the change automatically. There's no save button to press. Here's what happens next. When you return to your calendar view, you'll notice the standard Gregorian date remains your primary display. Right beside or beneath those dates, you'll see the alternate calendar notation for each day. It's subtle but visible, so you can reference both systems at a glance. This is especially helpful for planning around cultural or regional observances without changing how your events are scheduled. A few tips for clarity. The alternate calendar is a display layer. It doesn't shift your event times or move existing appointments. If you manage multiple Google accounts, make sure you're in the correct profile so the setting applies where you expect. If you don't see the alternate dates right away, refresh the page or switch views between day, week, and month to let the interface update. And if you ever want to go back, return to alternate calendars and choose none to remove the secondary display. That's it. Open Google Calendar, go to Settings, find alternate calendars, and select the one you want. You now have a cleaner way to reference two calendar systems at once.